everybody, Danny here. Let's review our project, okay? Let's head on over to the table and take a look at what we've accomplished. I'll meet you there. And here we are. Okay, what we did is we started with a really pretty simple little picture. We had a good vertical, a good horizontal. And where those two meet, right about there, that's where our subject went in at. Okay, it's not centered, it's off a little bit. It's not squat in the middle of the page. No, it's just a little bit down. So our composition looks good there. We have a window here throwing light down, and we just took the same color that we used here, right here, and we just lightened it with water. Put a shadow in, okay, and we lightened an area up on the wall here. That could have come from a light coming in from this way or that way, and it gave us a nice platform to do our fruit. Nothing here is in great detail, but you know what it is just by the color, okay? So we ended up with a nice picture, which got some dark edging, which was common for that style of art. And we ended up with a pretty doggone nice still life in the style of Baroque and others. So let's just know and enjoy the fact that we can do something like that and keep it simple and have a good time. I'm glad you've been with me through this, and we have other projects that are going to be starting very, very soon. And until then, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. Okay, hey, I'm going to be at the doctor's tomorrow. I've been fighting an infection on my foot, and so I may not be here to start a new project. Ann might have something, I'm not sure, but stay tuned because the projects will keep coming. And remember that in the meantime, Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.